Welcome back. Now the equities market has gained over 7.4% week to date, pushing the year to date loss down slowly. Tosi, what has this got to do with the recent appreciation in the Brent crude prices?
I mean, Tunji, we've seen the Brent crude prices go up positively. I mean, it went from $35.5 on Thursday last week to $37.2 this week. It has gained about 4.4% week to date. However, that is not the key cause of the drive we've seen on the all-share index. The all-share index is having its 7th day of consecutive gain today. It's currently trading at 25,820 index points. But this was largely driven by Dangote Cement and the industrial sector.
We've seen Dangote gain about 25%. And I'm wondering, okay, we know his results came out recently. He gave dividends. I mean, is that all you need to do? Is that the formula now?
But we must remember that Dangote has about 28% of market capitalization. Exactly. So when Dangote sneezes, the market moves. I mean, we see that even before the result came out, the traders have started positioning themselves. So pre the result and post the result, we've seen a cumulative gain of 25%. And also, it has a spirit of latching onto other sectors. Even the banking sector wasn't left out. It gained about 5.5%. Diamond Bank posted 10% growth in just one day. So you can see that all the other players are beginning to latch onto the gain we've seen in the market. However, oil and gas is cumulatively closed low for the same period, and the consumer goods sector was also closed flat.
So could you just help me understand this? Is this the curve? Have we turned the curve and are we going back up?
No, I don't think so. No, I think we're speaking too soon.
People are going to take profits of Dangote because people took positions before the results were. Are they going to sell? And if they sell that and the prices come down, could we see another
I think
rapid decline?
Before Tosin answers you, I think to answer that question, the first thing we need to determine is whether things have changed fundamentally. For Dangote Cement, yes, because there have been numbers. Now, for other equities, a lot of it is driven by dividend expectations. Now, for some securities that have issued profit warnings, e.g. for Ally First Bank, you know that the dividend expectations would be muted. But for others, what you tend to see is that people tend to position. And we also know that dividends, we expect a lot of dividends to come out this month and next month. So a lot of that is what you see, but you do not, you would still expect some form of profit taking at some point.
Another thing, Tunji, you must remember last year, while all the other sectors, that is in the banking index, the consumer index, while all the other indexes posted negative returns, the industrial index was the only one that stood out, posting a positive return. So we cannot use the industrial index that has gained about 11% week to date to judge based on to reflect on the entire market.
It's still skewed towards
the results for the banking sector is about to come out. I mean, we should be expecting it by the last week of March and the first few weeks of April. And I do not see that turning the corner.
Profit warning from a few of them. Profit warning from a few of the banks have said we might not get good results, and that probably is going to spook the market.
Exactly. So we might see a market record when they start posting their numbers.
All right, of course, Btva will continue to watch the economic and financial news space in Nigeria, providing analysis that can in turn shape your decisions. I am Tunji Andrews. From the team and I, keep doing business, Nigeria.
It was interactive. Nice.
I liked it.
I liked it.